Hi, this is Roy Belson, Remax One Leasing. This is our suite of the week. This has just been our finishing touches, carpet tile, wide open floor plan, which you can see with or without furniture, but we've got it situated so you can get a feel for gorgeous, and the lighting in here is amazing. But I'm just going to walk you around very slowly. As you can see, the layout, big open area. So you could have a team working and so forth with views. And what's nice about this is you got a reception area for your clients coming in, as well as kitchen area slash whatever you want to make a conference room. But you have a private bath. Beside the central bath, this one has a private bath, which makes it especially great and an unbelievable price. You can call me for pricing, but give you a general idea. I believe the whole suite's under $2,000, $1,500 to $2,000. So give me a call. I'll give you the particulars. You got a reception area in here, which you could make this a conference area. But this is our suite of the week. Roy Belson, 0134-5852, Remax One Commercial, and you can text or call me 818-620-2020. Thanks, and have a great Friday.